Hi, I'm now here in Quezon City. This is the office of the local government of Quezon City. I came here today because I needed to renew my business permit. We're opening YTC soon, and YTC, your tutorial center, is in Quezon City. If you behind me, you will see okay the statue of President Manuel L. Quezon, uh, for whom the city is named. Um, I went around in the different buildings where I needed to renew my permit. This is how to have your business in Quezon City. You register it, or in the Philippines for that matter, you register it with the local government. Since YTC, your tutorial center, is in Quezon City, I go to, I came here um, to the Quezon City government and renewed my business permit license. Quezon City is the biggest city in the National Capital Region and also in the Philippines. Um, so I've already finished processing my business permit renewal. The people are very accommodating, they're kind, they are very knowledgeable about what to do. For every step of the way, they're very helpful. Um, they're always willing to answer questions, especially during the time that we were closed for a while, and questions about fees and requirements were easily answered. No sweat, no difficulties. They made it manageable and easy for us to process our business permit. All I have to do now is encode all details in the system of Quezon City and wait a few days to get the business permit, the paper. After I did the business, everything that is business in all the offices, I passed by the Taho Vendor. So included in this video, you will see my merienda in the morning, my snack in the morning, and then my interaction with the Taho Vendor. So if you would like to see different other places than the usual Makati and BGC or Manila, Quezon City is also very interesting, and it also has a lot of history to offer.